Hey y'all, so I got a special video tonight. We're gonna be doing a unboxing. Now I'm gonna be honest, I wasn't gonna tell y'all about this, but it's way too nice not to share, and sis deserve her coins for this one. So this right here is my Christmas gift, but it didn't ship in enough time. I didn't get it on Christmas, but my mama is so clever. So what she did was, when she printed out a picture of this, she laminated it and then she wrapped it up and then gave it to me. I had an idea. Well, I didn't know it was gonna be this, but I just had an idea it was gonna be from this company. So without further ado, let's bust this thing open. Got my razor on deck. Okay. Upside down, but this is the packaging. First of all, cause look at this box. The box is already giving luxury. Like, look at that. Yeah, it's on both sides. Okay, I clearly opened it upside down, but it's cool cause guess what? It got a dust bag. She's protected. She's protected. Let me be gentle. This is precious cargo. It comes with a dust bag. Tell me this not giving luxury. Like, this alone is just like I got something packed up in here. And watch. She wasn't playing with the packaging. She was not playing. It's packaged yet again. So just know, once I'm finished with this review, if you order from this company, your stuff is in good hands, okay? Okay. It's taped and everything. She did the dang thing. Like, the packaging is on point and it's luxury, and then she has it protected. Like, nothing's happening to this. I'm gonna cut this. Ooh. I'm gonna cut this again too. Gotta be careful when I cut my hair. But she had it wrapped so good that even if I cut it a few times, I wasn't hitting the ooh. Look at this, bro. What? This is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. But before I start showing y'all compartments, I'm gonna give y'all a description of what the bag says on the website. So, details on this first. This is a Monogram large classic flat bag, matte black, as you can see. This was $165. Not too shabby. Look at the size. Come on. Okay, so product description says, our newest vegan leather Monogram embossed large flat bag is perfect for every Glam-Aholic from night to day. It goes from party to cocktail in one hand while flying with your laptop and essentials in the other. The handy outside pocket unzips to slide over your carry-on so you can make it through any airport with ease. The sliding gunmetal chains takes the bag from top handle to crossbody. Okay, we gonna see. Gotta take this off. Some more packaging. We appreciate the care. We appreciate when our stuff is handled with care. Protected. She said she wasn't playing. Okay, this one I'm gonna just rip and not cut because this is closer, so I'll be more likely to cut my bag. Okay, so we can wear her like this. We can wear her short, showing her off, or we can wear her long and just, what Mary said, I'm walking, just with your crossbody. And let it, I'll probably be wearing it like this. Let it hang, let them see. But sometimes, you don't want to walk in the building. Because it's so nice, sometimes you have to walk in the building. But be cool with it. But you let them know. Glam-Aholic. Okay, so there's that. Now this we'll save that for last. More packaging. I just gotta keep reiterating, like, where they do that at? This top quality. Nothing is happening to your bag if you order from here. I'ma keep that though, because when I'm not using it, because I don't plan on having a lot in here to keep my bag fluffed up. But this is the inside. Take that out. Y'all, it feels so good. And what it says, vegan leather, it's just so soft. And I've ordered stuff from this company before. I feel like the G's are they me, or are the G's like, I don't know, I feel like they're giving a little extra flair this time around. I got a wallet, I'm gonna show y'all. It's cute, but like, it's giving. I wish y'all could feel it. It feels so good. But here's one side. Here's the other. It comes with the zipper back here. Pretty large. Everything from the chain to the zipper to the flat is gunmetal. That's gorgeous. Gunmetal goes with anything. And let's see. Okay, so that's the purse. And then this Glam-Aholics is owned by Mia Ray. One of the baddest in the game to do it. Her name is on the inside of the bag as well. So, oh yeah, even the G on the front is gunmetal. Excuse me, having technical difficulties. Okay, there we go. And like, it's not going nowhere. Your purse not opening unless somebody just opens it, or you got too much stuff in here before. As big as it is, it's the large. And mind you, she has an extra large, so it gets bigger. For those of y'all who carry a lot of stuff in your purse, it goes from mini, medium, large. What that lady said, who was it? Quinta, a large. When my mama, when I opened it and I was reading it, because I was trying to figure out what size I got. And it said large. I said to her, a large? She got money. I think she recorded me. I don't know. I'm going to insert the clip if she did. Maybe she didn't, but I was too excited. Okay, back to this. So, in the description, it says, the handy outside pocket unzips to slide over your carry-on so you can make it through any airport with ease, okay? So, this is what's on the back. My hand is not going through here. This is a pocket, okay? But watch this. Zipper. What? Hello? What? So, I don't have my suitcase here. But all you do is slide this on to your, the handle on your suitcase. Make them strap short. You can put them around there and you just walk with it. Or you can just hold the chain and your handle while you walking, and it just sits on there. This is a carry-on. It's big enough. Like, let's test some stuff out. Let's put some stuff in here and see. It's more than enough room. Okay, so before I continue, I want to show a little love. This was one of the first things I ever purchased from Glam-Aholics. I think like 2 years ago. This is a very nice wallet. It's big. I think this is considered an extra large wallet. But you see what I mean? Like, it's still gorgeous. But the bag, and maybe it's because it's new. Like, this brand new. Or maybe she just stepped up the quality. I don't know. But then again, I'd have had my baby for a minute. But she going strong, though. And it's pretty big. And I usually keep this packed down. Like, here's all the compartments. Change. I had a bunch of change in there. So, without further ado, I grabbed, I won't say my most prized possessions, but the stuff that I keep with me on a regular. And we're going to try to fit it in the bag. So, this is some of the stuff I would put in my carry-on if I use it as a carry-on or just everyday life. Okay, ready, let's go. Okay, so first on our list is my MacBook. Slide that in there. Next, we got a journal. If you're not journaling, what you doing? Next, I got an umbrella for a rainy day. And I live in the Midwest, so we never know what the weather gonna be like. So, slide that on up in there. Next, I got my iPad, because I edit on this. My wallet. Got some deodorant for a touch-up, the full size. And then I got some miscellaneous stuff. I got my little mini fragrance touch-up, the pen for the journal. I keep some lash glue on me because you just never know when they'll be lifting. But the little zipper pocket, putting them in there. And phone. See how easy that closes? See how much fit in there? And then just think of like the different variations of things that you could put. And it's in there neatly. Look at that. Gold. On the money. This is amazing. She's a keeper. I'ma handle her with care. Shout out to my mama. Cause you a real one. She loved me for real. Her and my sister gifted me my first luxury bag, which was a Telfeezy. Then my mama came back around with this. I don't know. It's going to be hard to top. And honestly, I've seen, like, you know, like the other luxury bags, like, this topping them all. I really wish y'all could feel this. Like, I've never been like, oh, that purse feels amazing. No, this is top tier quality. I don't know what I know what she did. She did the dang thing. So, when she dropped stuff, it go like that. Like, my sister was in line when she dropped these. She didn't get it. But, sorry, sister. But mama did. So, she having another drop, I think, this Friday. So, y'all better run to the website. Sprint to the website and get y'all bags. Like I said, they have minis, mediums, larges, and extra larges. I'll give y'all the prices on those. All right, so the mini bag is $110. The medium bag, the medium flat bag is $140. The large is $165, and the extra large, for the people who want to do it real big, is $180. For this quality, I want quality over quantity. You can't beat this. This is like the best thing since sliced bread. I know I just keep saying stuff, but I'm just amazed. Like, I just want to sleep with it. But I'm not. I'm gonna handle her with care. But like I said, Sprint. And look, it's durable. All that stuff I put in here, look at that. Sprint. Go get one now. Shop Glam-Aholics. Sprint to go get your purse. She has a bunch of other wonderful items. Passport cases, wallets, bucket bags, regular purses. She got luggage. She got duffel bags, like book bags. Me, my mama, my sister, yeah, we keep the stuff. Run it up. Go get your bag. Be a Glam-Aholic today, because one thing I know is I'm finna stun on them with this one, okay?